Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by scanning what you use most. Focus on high-frequency disposables first. Once done, collect a small kit, reusable bottle, cup, bag, straw, and put it where you leave the house. Make sure to replace 3 daily plastic items this week and practice carrying your kit for every outing. These immediate swaps build muscle memory. As you do them, note where failures happen and adjust location or habit cues so you don't default back to plastic. You now target what enters your home: packaging and pantry items. Once you switch to bulk stores and refill stations, measure savings in both waste and cost. Bring jars labeled by content and weight. Make staples at home. Simple recipes for cleaners and shampoo bars reduce reliance on plastic bottles. Also, compare unit prices to confirm value. As you adopt these steps, rotate supplies and track expiration dates, so you finish by turning actions into routines so the effort lasts. Once routines exist, plan your shopping and pack your kit the night before. Schedule bulk runs and list items you can swap monthly. If something feels hard, break it down and replace just one category per month. Troubleshooting tip: when you slip up, identify the exact failure point, timing, storage, or access, and create one simple workaround, like a backup reusable in your car or a sticky note reminder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.